Hello, I am the technician from Racing Channel based at Red Sriracha, Chonburi. Today we are with the Toyota Champ, not the Vigo Champ. This car is completely stock. It has nothing at all, meaning it doesn't even have a radio or central locking. If you lock the door on this side, it won't unlock from the other side. There's nothing at all. We are going to install a remote start system now. Let me show you a sample first. Lock the car. Do you see it? Do you see the light on the fender? We press the remote. Do you see it? Now I will command the car to start. We are standing right here, and I will show you how to start the car. Now the car has started. Let me take you closer so you can see that the car is running. Here, do you see it? The car has started. Can you see? Do you see? I will try to show you again. I will start from over there. Let me show you one more time. I will set the camera inside the car. I'm setting the camera now, and I will record to show you that it can start from the remote. Close the door. I'm locking the car now. Look at the distance. I'm walking out to the front of my car. See? I will command the start from the remote now. All right, I'm pressing it. Because of back pain, beep, 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 and then just wait. The car will start. Do you see? We are still outside, and now the car has started. We are standing right here, and we can't see it because it's far away. Do you see? All right, unlock the car. Okay. I will turn off the engine now. Watch, I will press this. We will see the car from another camera, which I have recorded for you. In addition to the two remote keys that we will provide, there will be these two items. We also have an NFC card, which is a small card. Last time I recorded, it was a large card, but this is a small card. Do you see? We can use this NFC card, or we can use the sticker that comes with the kit. This sticker can be placed on the back of the mobile phone. We just carry the mobile phone, right? We can just stick it on the phone. Do you see? This is a card like this, and this is a sticker like this. Let's say I stick it on the back of my phone. Here. I put it in my phone like this. Mine has a case, so I placed it in here. And I put it in here. I can start the car by tapping my phone. Here. I will leave the key on this table. I didn't take it with me. Just the phone. I think the card is placed in here. The NFC card is right here. And I have attached the AFC signal here. Do you see? The light is blinking. Do you see? When we lock the car, there will be a sound. But when unlocking, there is no sound, just a double blink. Do you see? Okay, I will go start the car now. There are two ways to start the car. Press the brake and then press the button, or press and hold the button. I will press the brake and show you by pressing the button. Wait a moment, the engine is starting. Okay, I will turn off the engine now. Do you see? Or you can press and hold the button to start it. I will press and hold it for you to see. All right, 1, 2, 3. Do you see? The engine starts. Do you see? Now it's off. Take a look. It won't start. It seems it might be a safety feature. You probably need to press the brake as well. All right, press the brake. The engine is ready now. This is for the Toyota Champ, which has a food start installed. I will also review how to use it. For the installation method, this one is a direct fit box model. Just plug it in without any modifications. However, additional equipment is needed. I will make a video for members on my channel, so if you want to see it, please check it out. As for the products I installed in the car, if you want to order, you can order from me. I have them for sale. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.